Hello friends, today we'll see how to make an eggless vanilla cake. So first we will start with preheating the oven. Here I am using Morphy Richards OTG 28 inch. So first I will keep it in the highest temperature and then we'll keep this mode in toast mode and then we'll preheat it for 10 minutes. So by the time the preheat is done, we'll prepare the cake batter. So for the cake batter, here I am having sugar, that is powdered sugar, half a cup, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, a pinch of salt. Then I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of 1/4 cup of oil, a little bit of water, and half a cup of buttermilk. So either you can use milk with vinegar or you can use buttermilk. So first we will start mixing the dry ingredients first. So here I am taking maida. Then I will add the salt. Then I will add the baking soda, then baking powder, mix this nicely and keep this aside. In another bowl, we will add the powdered sugar, then we will add the oil. You can use any refined oil that doesn't have any flavor. This particular cake is an oil based cake, that's why I am using the oil. Some recipes you could have seen, they would have used either egg or butter. So in this recipe I am using oil. Now you will add the vanilla essence. Then we will add the buttermilk. And mix it nicely. So I haven't mixed the water now. You will see how thick the batter is. If it is very thick, after mixing, then we can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water. So both our wet and dry ingredients are ready. So now we will grease a pan. So today I am going to use this pan. Actually it's a 6-inch pan. So I will grease this with, either you can use a butter paper or you can grease it with butter or oil. Today I am going to grease it with oil. So I have poured some oil. Now I am greasing. So grease on the base as well as at the sides. So keep this aside. And now we will mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. You add little by little and start mixing in one direction. We call this as cut and fold method. So now I will add water to this particular bowl where I had my wet ingredients. Don't add more than 2 teaspoons of water. Here I am adding almost 1 teaspoon of water. Mix this and then add it to the batter. as you can see, the rods inside, both at the bottom as well as on the top, it is getting heated up. Only if you keep this in the toast mode, both the rods will become hot. If you keep it in the baking mode, only the bottom rod will get heated up. So while preheating, use the toast mode and preheat so that the entire OTG becomes little warm, so that the cake bakes up properly from all the sides. So now we have mixed the batter. We will just pour it into the cake tin. Always pour it till 3/4 of the size of the pan. Don't pour it too much. So once we bake, it actually becomes bigger in size. So now the preheating is done. So as you can see, it has come to 0. So now we will bake the cake. So now we will change this mode to bake, and then I will change the temperature to 150, and then I will keep this cake tin inside. I am keeping the cake tin inside. Close the door, and I will bake this for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we will see. In between, I will show you how the cake is coming up. So it's been 30 minutes now. As you can see, the timer has come to 0. So now we will open and see whether it has cooked nicely or not. So always use a gloves because it will be very hot. So now I am using a toothpick. I'll just insert it in the center. If it comes out clean, so it is cooked. So we will allow the cake in this for 5 minutes, and then we will transfer it to a plate. So it's been 5 minutes now. So now we will transfer this to a plate. So I'm taking this plate and putting it like this and give a tap. So your cake is out of the pan. So again we'll allow it to cool down, and then you can slice it and have it with your cup of coffee or tea. So this is an eggless vanilla cake. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more new recipes. Thank you.